onks and clonks in this car. Oh.
Well, front and back that was.
Oh, we're doing your wheels up correctly. Sounds a bit. Oh, no, it's still doing it. Oh. No. It's really straight, it's creepy. Maybe,
Definitely in front.
yeah. Oh, goodness me. Crumbs. What's that?
Yeah.